The chapter 1 is divided into 5 parts: knife height, knife gap, knife slope, ruler height, and open location. Okay, first let's begin with the most important one, knife height. Knife height is the height of the knife. Look at the picture. From the picture we can see the knife height is the distance from the highest point of the double ruler to the vertical drop of the knife top. There are many ways to measure knife height. Use special tools. I prefer to use rulers. How to judge the standard knife height of this machine? Have a look. Knife height, it is equal to the radius of the double ruler plus the center distance of the double ruler divided by 2. Look at this picture. If you not sure the size, you can use a large caliper and divide it by 2 to get the knife height. Usually, peeling thick or hardwood, the knife needs lower a little. Thin or soft wood, the knife needs higher a little. I'll tell you one more. Just look at the sawdust on the knife. 1 to 2 mm is enough. We said in the before previous video. Adjust the machine. Just adjust the parallel and the perpendicular. 2 sides knife height same. Parallel between the knife and the rulers. First adjust the knife height, then adjust others. Okay, in this video we talk about the knife height. Next video, let's talk about the knife gap. If you like my video, please like and follow my channel. Thank you.